Hello, Hollybilly villagers. Well, what do we have here? Looks like we've got a special double unwrapping. We're gonna do 2 gifts today. So let's take a look and see what we've got here in the first pretty red box. What do we think? Any thoughts what there might be since we're doing a double? Oh, wow! It's one of the new collection of Limax this year, LED light up cupcake house. Take a look around this. Wow, how cute is this? They call this the Chocolate Chalet. This is neat. Let's open it up and have a look inside. Here we go. What do we got inside? All right, so this is one packaged here. Some styrofoam. Let's pull that out. What do we have here? And well. Once again, for our little villagers there, these plastic bags, go ahead and put those away. We don't want to play with those. Those aren't a toy. Those are a little bit dangerous sometimes. Camp Cupcake Chocolate Chalet. Let's go in for a closer look on that. Camp Cupcake Chocolate Chalet. And if we look on the bottom here, it's both battery powered, has a switch, and it has a plug, so you can plug that in, or you can run it separately on battery powered. Look at that. There's a nice little sign there. It says Chocolate Chalet. What do we think that is? Is that a little elf hat there? Oh, look at these adorable candies at the front door. Look, not just a regular Christmas tree, but a gummy drop Christmas tree. Top, there's a nice swirl of chocolate and a cookie straw. Why don't we see what's in this box now? Here we go. Let's tear in. I wonder, it must be. It's gotta be a matching partner, don't we think? It is, look at that. Oh, this is so neat. So this year, our friends at Limax did a matching set of cupcakes. This is a new setup for them. I really like these ones because these are fun and whimsical. I know a lot of our villages are realistic sometimes, but I also enjoy all these fun, playful ones where we get to use our imagination and pretend that we live in a cupcake. How cute is that? So that one, this one here is called the Peppermint Cottage. Do you like peppermint? I know I do. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Once again, if Santa didn't bring this for you, or Mommy and Daddy didn't get it for you, or you didn't get it for Mommy and Daddy, because sometimes we have to buy Mommy and Daddy presents, then you can go ahead and find this at Michael's Craft Stores. Michael's carries all the Limax products, new every year. Here we go. We're gonna take all that styrofoam away again. We'll pull that out. And we're gonna go ahead and put this one on the table now. Like we said, careful with those plastic bags. Let's take a closer look at the matching partner, the Peppermint Cottage. We go in close here. Once again, it says it's Camp Cupcake. And there's our sign that says Peppermint Cottage. Ooh, and look at that little gumdrop there. How cute is that? And some peppermints on the sidewalk. Are those sprinkles? I think those are sprinkles. What do we think? Oh, it's gotta be sprinkles. Look at all the sprinkles on this whipped cream on top. And then we've got a lollipop, and once again, our friend, the gummy Christmas tree. Well, look at that. Isn't that a lovely matching pair? we're going to go ahead and show you a little something here. Again, we told you that on the back, there's an adapter for the plug. Well, we looked all through the box and we realized that this adapter is not included in the package this year. Now, some might find that frustrating. Some might also say that they just want to make sure people aren't creating more waste and having too many plugs laying around when they might have the multiple plug adapters that you've seen on our channel or elsewhere where you shop for your Village products. So we were thinking we could plug this in. We're going to go ahead and have to find a plug. Well, we turned it over and we noticed again that it has a battery. So let's see if the battery turns on. Nope, doesn't turn on. Well, we discovered that even after opening up the battery there, it wasn't included. To me, that's a little frustrating. To not include the plug or the battery just leaves us a little disappointed. So I think you need to check the box sometimes when you buy these. I also think Lemax could have done a little bit better of a job of letting us know that we needed to find our own power when we take these home so that our little villagers wouldn't be disappointed. We're going to go ahead and reach into our box of tricks and we're going to find a plug and plug this in. We took a very close look at the box there, and in the tiniest of writing you can just barely see it there that it says that the batteries and plug are not included. I do wish they had done a better job of letting us know this so that when we got it home, our little villagers weren't disappointed. Okay, as you can see, we plugged in a couple plugs here. We're going to go ahead and dim the lights so that we can see this light up just a little bit better. Okay, now we've got the lights dimmed down. Let's take a look. Wow, would you look at that? That does glow very nicely. Well, villagers, we hope you enjoyed this very special double unboxing of the Camp Cupcake set. Don't forget to like, add, and subscribe for more content. And happy villaging, villagers!